Welcome to the Lingo Reel YouTube channel, your ultimate language learning companion. Discover inspiring stories, useful phrases, and new words to enrich your vocabulary. Whether you're a beginner or refining your skills, our engaging content makes learning fun. In today's lesson, we're diving into a unique and exciting way to learn English by watching a movie trailer. Specifically, we'll explore the AI-generated trailer for Lord of the Rings. This iconic story, reimagined by AI, offers a fantastic opportunity to expand your vocabulary and understand the nuances of English in an engaging context. So, grab your popcorn and let's journey through Middle-earth while enhancing your language skills.
In a world forged by myth and legend, where darkness threatens to consume all, an unlikely fellowship will rise to challenge the shadows. Meet Frodo Baggins, a humble hobbit burdened with a destiny greater than any could imagine. With the guidance of the wise wizard Gandalf, Frodo embarks on a perilous quest to destroy the One Ring.
The ring must be cast back into the fires of Mount Doom.
You have my sword.
And you have my bow.
And my axe!
One does not simply walk into Mordor.
Even the smallest person can change the course of the future.
Now, the fate of Middle-earth rests in the hands of Frodo and his companions. Will they have the strength to endure the trials ahead? Will they stand against the tide of evil and emerge victorious?
They're taking the hobbits to Isengard.
What did you say?
Prepare for an epic adventure unlike any other, where courage, friendship, and hope stand against the darkness. The Lord of the Rings.
Let's start practicing with the phrases. Listen closely and then repeat after me. Ready? Let's begin.
The ring must be cast back into the fires of Mount Doom. The ring must be cast back into the fires of Mount Doom.
You have my sword. You have my sword.
And you have my bow.
And my axe!
And you have my bow.
And my axe!
What did you say? What did you say?
Awesome job. You're making amazing progress. Want to take your language learning to the next level? Download the Lingo Reel app today and turn your real-world experiences into language learning adventures. With Lingo Reel, you can practice speaking, listening, reading, and writing in over 100 languages. Learn at your own pace, anywhere, anytime. Don't wait. Click the link below to download Lingo Reel and start your journey to fluency today. Let's make language learning a part of your everyday life. Join our community of language enthusiasts and see how fun and effective learning a new language can be. Lingo Reel, learn through living. Download now and start your language adventure with Lingo Reel.